Salsa Verde is a cracking little sauce and it works perfectly with meat, fish and vegetables. And this is exactly how I make it. Into a food processor, add half a bunch each of mint, basil and parsley. To that, we're going to add a teaspoon of capers, 3 anchovy fillets, the juice and zest of a lemon, 1 diced shallot, 1 crushed garlic clove, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 120 millilitres of olive oil and 40 millilitres of sherry vinegar, and a pinch of salt. Lid on, and we want to pulse this. I think that'll do us. And that's what I'm looking for. I like mine nice and chunky. If you want yours smoother, just pulse it for a little bit longer, but that for me is perfect. Let's give it a little try. Trust me, that is delicious. That will elevate any dish. Really appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please also like, share and comment. Have you got your own way that you make salsa verde? I'd love to hear from you. I'll put all of the details of my salsa verde down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.